They're at the world's most exclusive dog show.
Yeah, bow to the king.
You were kidding me, right?
And Max
Are we in the right place? I could have swore we were backstage at a Cirque du Soleil.
What?
is on a mission.
Wait, you're a cop?
I'm working undercover.
What if you actually won the whole show?
Nope.
Hey, you do remember I bite, right?
This spring,
All right, coach, what's our first move?
I shall turn you into the show dog.
Oh boy.
with a little bonding.
3, 2...
You waited for me to get back here for that, didn't you?
And some help from friends.
I'm deputizing both of you.
Yes, sir. I accept, but I get to be the bad cop.
They just might
Hang on, kid. I'm coming.
solve the case.
You are different from other show dogs.
Max is a partner. So as a partner.
From the director of Beverly Hills Chihuahua, The Smurfs, and Scooby-Doo.
A team of crime fighters.
With license to bite.
Felipe, what are you doing?
Who says police work and pampering can't go paw and paw?
Show Dogs.
What's that?
Bikini wax?
It's payback time.
Wait.
The pain passes, but the beauty, she remains.
The world is a mysterious place. There are marvels of nature just waiting to be discovered by those who are daring enough to look. Marvels like the creature I had only heard existed in legend. A mythical monster straight out of your worst nightmares, with wild eyes and a hideous face and feet that were amazingly, freakishly small. It's a terrifying creature with perfect white teeth and breath that just smells all minty fresh. And the only hair it has on its entire body is on the top of its head.
Stop it, Migo. You're scaring him.
Hey, don't be scared. It's just a story. Everyone knows that the Smallfoot isn't real.
Or is it?
Oh, that's nice. Real nice. Way to scar him for life.
Romeo and Juliet are moving to a whole new garden. All clear.
It's not quite perfect, but it's ours.
Think of all the adventures we're gonna have. Look, there's a pool. Woohoo!
I'm okay.
Excuse me.
Oh, Mankini, that is just... Are you done?
I've made a jacuzzi.
Humans coming!
How's everyone? They were supposed to live happily ever after. But when their world is in danger,
Juliet, the gnomes, they're all gone.
there's only one gnome to call.
What the fertilizer?
I'm Sherlock Gnomes, sworn protector of garden gnomes.
You mean, except for the one you literally just broke?
Broken? Who's broken? Oh my god!
In 2018, All ahead, full, Watson! Those gnomes are in terrible danger. From the director of Kung Fu Panda.
We can't let anyone hear this, but they're going to smash us all tomorrow night.
Smashed? This guy said we're all going to be smashed tomorrow.
Prepare for an adventure.
We have to get across that river. We'll need a ship. No ship, Sherlock.
Into the great unknown.
Benny, our next clue is in the park.
Give us directions quickly.
Just follow the blue line on the ground until you find the giant red thumbtack. Careful, it looks pointy.
James McAvoy, Emily Blunt, Chiwetel Ejiofor, Mary J. Blige, and Johnny Depp, with original music by Elton John and Bernie Taupin.
We have to go undercover. Let's go. 2 forward. Hold. Ooh, I said hold.
Forgive me, I've never been the back end of a squirrel before.
We've been spotted.
Sherlock Gnomes.
That's not how a squirrel shakes its behind. Mankini, can you demonstrate? You see what I'm doing? See? You see?
Yes, you're acting like a rear end.
now, our feature presentation.